All right, so we are here with you, Hada. Just to let everyone know, we are having just a bit of a delay before we get started with some technical difficulties. So while we wait for that, why don't you tell us a bit about your presentation and what we're going to be talking about today? Can you hear us?
Oh yeah, I just uploaded my presentation
Oh,
in chat.
great. Okay. Okay, so I will open that, and then while I'm doing that, can you let us know what we're going to be talking about?
Yeah, I'm gonna talk about how to visualize your AR idea by rapid prototyping. Yeah, based on our history of prototyping, yeah, I'm gonna explain about rapid prototyping for AR.
Nice. Okay. So is this something that you've been working on for a while?
Yeah, it's been past few years. Yeah, we were working on prototyping about AR. So yeah.
Okay. Oh my. Okay, so this is still downloading. Just a few seconds left. Um, and what's your background in this field?
Uh, I have been leading Tokyo-based AR studio called Designium for more than 15 years,
Oh
and
wow.
working for AR in past how long? More than 10 years. Yeah, in Japan. Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Okay. So this should be a pretty exciting talk then. Okay. Let me get this presentation started. And 1 second while I switch monitors around here. Sorry. Always fun while we're doing this live.
By the way, it's 11 p.m. in Japan.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, much easier for me. It is 10 a.m. in Atlanta, so a
Uh,
lot easier for me. You'll be pretty tired by the time we finish this talk.
yeah, so today I take a nap in daylight. That's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, we'll try not to keep you up too late. Okay, let me present my screen. All right.
Oh, okay, yeah. So can I start?
Yeah, start and just I'll try to anticipate when you want me to go ahead, but just feel free to just tell me anytime I'm not keeping up.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Again, I'm Yuhata from Designium. I have been leading Tokyo-based AR studio named Designium for more than 15 years and has been creating immersive experience in the AR field and the philosophy of no experiment, no experience. Next. So first of all, let me introduce about the Designium. Yeah, we are AR studio based in Tokyo, Japan. So we focus on creating immersive AR experience by combining creativity and the latest technology. Next. Next. Yeah. Yeah. So we have a partnership with major tech companies such back okay, such as Niantic, Snap, Qualcomm, Immersa, and others not listed on here. And besides, we won many AR awards in past few years. So I can tell, I hope, we are a team of specialists for AR. Next. And we have completed lots of projects in several fields. Because we are really attracted by visual positioning system. The city-scale AR project are one of major field for us to create an AR experience. And thanks to progress of VPS technology, we can convert our entire city into AR field. That's really fun. Next. And also the sports is one of biggest interest for us. Yeah, we have a lot of project digging in any format of sports from experience in stadium to experience at your home. Next. And the events and campaigns are one of the most popular fields for AR. So yeah, we also had done lots of projects in this field too. And next, in addition, we have done more projects. So yeah, as you see, yeah, we had done a lot of AR project already. So yeah, so based on the project, I'm gonna talk about this today's session. Next. So let's move to the aspect of prototyping. Yeah, since our philosophy is no experiment, no experience. So we consider experiment as very important to create an experience. And that experiment means prototyping itself. So as you saw, we had a lot of project already. All the project is based on the prototyping. Yeah, and next. And we have developed more than 300 prototypes in past few years besides the actual projects. So as I mentioned, prototyping is the most important for us to create and evaluate new AR experience. Yeah, actually, we are creating prototypes every single week. So based on our knowledge by these prototypes, I would like to talk today's session. How to visualize your AR idea by rapid prototyping. Okay, next. So first of all, why do we need prototyping for AR? Yeah, I would like to consider AR by method of Simon Sinek's golden circle. Why, how, what. So first of all, why? Uh, like something short. As you all know, yeah, the biggest advantage of prototyping is that we can evaluate your idea with a minimum cost. before you actually start developing final app. Yeah, as you may know, cost of developing final AR app is mostly really high. That's very expensive. So this is why we need a prototyping for AR in order to decrease the risk of wasting your budget. It's better to have a phase of prototyping to evaluate your idea. Next. Next, how? Yeah, how can we decrease the risk? Yeah, we have many methods of prototyping, such as paper prototyping, video storyboard, and working prototyping. Yeah, let's compare each method. Yeah, paper prototyping. Yeah, it's the fastest and cheapest method. And video storyboard. Compare with paper prototyping, video storyboard needs more time and budget, but you can evaluate more accurately. And, working prototype, yeah, today's theme. We need much more time and budget, but you can evaluate most accurately. Regarding the cost, paper prototyping seems the best, but why do we need prototyping? Why? Yeah, decrease the risk of wasting budget, right? So to do so, we need to evaluate your idea accurately as much as possible and compare with the cost of final app. The cost of working prototype is still much cheaper. So I believe it's better to create a working prototyping to evaluate your idea is the best. And besides, because AR is technologies that use visual information from a device to provide experience, the value of experience is played on specific device. That's why it's necessary to build the working prototype on actual device to evaluate the idea. In other words, unlike a simple system or static design, AR provide AR provide user with an interactive and immersive experience. It's very difficult to simulate AR on computer because AR is experience with a mix of real world. That's why without a working prototype, you cannot accurately evaluate that technology and experience. And it can be difficult to understand the potential value of the idea too. And next, and I think you can start the video. Yeah, by the way, even though we believe the working prototype is the best method to evaluate your idea, yeah, we sometimes use other method too, like a paper prototyping and video storyboard. And especially if you want to take a step one by one from like a paper prototyping to video storyboard to working prototype. So this video shows like example of our other method. Yeah, sorry, these are all in Japanese, but I hope you can understand what this is all about. Yeah, this is like a video storyboard before, yeah, we actually create the working prototype. Yeah, we just create the illustration and combine with the video we take. So you can understand how the AR experience would be like. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, you know how the experience is gonna be like, but you cannot feel on actual device with this one because you just watch a video. So you need to take one more step to create a working prototype, I think. Yeah, next. Next slide. Oh yeah, and one more slide. Yeah, let's get back to the main talks. Yeah, so after what and how, yeah, we need to talk about what. Yeah, based on our history of prototyping, we have a designing method for prototyping. In this method, we categorize working AR prototyping into 3 types. Type 1 is technical feasibility. Type 2 is concept expansion. Type 3 is user experience evaluation. Let's check detail of each types. Next. Type 1, technical feasibility. Based on technical challenge you have, type 1 is to research available technology. It might solve the challenge and create a functional prototype to evaluate the technical feasibility. So it's only about the technical feasibility. So it's just functional. You only need a prototype, only the functional and without the visual. So, and biggest challenge in this type is how you can cover a large area of technology. So I can suggest it's better to work as a team, especially for research process. So you can cover a lot of technology as a team. And next. And type 2, concept expansion. Type 2 is to create a new use case with specific technology or device. To evaluate the use case, the prototype on type 2 should have specific function, which is related with a specific technology or device, and with a minimum visual. And the biggest challenge in this type is how you can expand your idea. We basically take a few steps, understand the specific technology and the device to try, and brainstorm to bring idea, and consider technical feasibility on these ideas. And type 3, next. And type 3 is user experience evaluation. The purpose of type 3 is to evaluate if your idea of specific user experience is valuable or not. So in order to evaluate, prototype with minimum function and visual must be needed. So in our opinion, the biggest challenge in this type is how you can extract core value of the specific user experience. And if you can extract successfully, you can create a prototype with a minimum cost to demonstrate the core value. Next. So from now on, let's check example each type. Could you start the video? This is the example of the type 2. Please watch the video first. Maybe you don't know what's going on this video, but this project starts from question. If right chip ARDK from Niantic allows for consistent segmentation across both iOS and Android platform beyond its own feature. So we need to create a custom segmentation function about it. So after researching some documents and technology, we made this prototype to detect the height and the area of the real-world object by using the meshing feature of ARDK and categorize them based on the calculated results. So we can segment each object by height and size of the object. So we found it's possible to segment with a certain level of accuracy. So I can tell, it's okay about the technical feasibility. Next. Yeah, next let's check about the type 2 example. Yeah, could you, yeah. Yeah, this is a video about your AR experience by walking. So based on the request to explore the potential of Google Geospatial API, which is the VPS technology by Google, based on like a Street View, we had a brainstorming and we decided to explore the direction of turning navigation into entertainment and came up with these prototypes. Yeah, we found a highly effective approach. Yeah, especially in hands-free world of wearing AR glasses. Then on the flip side, yeah, we understand that continuously holding up a smartphone can be quite physically stressful. Anyway, it's very fun to entertain walking experience like this. So next, yeah, I want to talk about other example of type 2 too. And you can start the video. Seems no sounds because this is a demo about the
I think
sound.
I might need to be. Let me see if there's sound now. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Let's try it this way. Let me know if you can hear.
But anyway, yeah, same as the Geospatial API, we had a request to explore the potential of AI tool called in-world AI. And this is like a AI tool about the conversation by the virtual character. So we have developed a very simple demo application using AS4 in Web AR to evaluate the interaction, experience of interaction with a virtual character. So yeah, at that time there's a little delay, but it's completely worked well. So yeah, maybe I can show this video uh, somehow in later. Yeah. So next, yeah. So another type of example on specific device. So please watch the video. Yeah, this is a prototyping about hand tracking. Yeah, this is also based on the request of explore the good and challenge aspect of hand tracking feature on Qualcomm's Snapdragon Spaces. Yeah, we created this demo. Yeah, due to the limitation that hand tracking is only possible when hands are within your field of view, we designed the experience to keep your hands in FOV by overlaying the object on your hand. We found that this approach successfully demonstrates the potential of hand tracking. Yeah, users always keep their hands in FOV, so this was really successful. So yeah, currently we are going to next step actually this about this one. And I want to next, yeah, I want to talk about the type 3 and the video first. Yeah, based on the idea that AR's unique ability to make the invisible object as visible could be good experience for users. we created a functional prototype where illuminating virtual object with a light like this makes them appear. So when you light, invisible object is appear. So we found that this experience of virtual object emerging by light brought nice experience. It's also linking naturally to the action of holding up a smartphone. Additionally, the action of searching itself was fun, so leading to high enjoyment and the potential for various creative projects. Oh, by the way, this is like a more than few years ago project. So currently, everybody use this kind of approach. So yeah, and next slide uh, about the type suite. This is very old one. Yeah, this was prototyping we conducted more than 5 years ago. At that time, we had a forecast. The future might demand manipulating the real world through the AR. So you can control the real world by AR view. So we tested what the experience would feel like. And we found that, depending on the object of interaction, it can be quite intuitive. However, as you can see, for smartphone, it's more convenient to use a physical switch than to launch the application for every time, every operation. But also, this could be really valuable for users in the future where the people wear the AR glasses in daily life. So this is like a request from hardware company. So right now, we are trying to create some thing for them with the AR glasses now. And next, type 3 also, based on the function to track foot movement by LiDAR scanner sensors like a iPhone has. We have tested the interaction if it's potentially effective or not. The action of pointing smartphone like this was very natural, and excitement of something happened as a result of stepping on it was very positive aspect of the interaction. So we found this is very effective, but the one challenge was that pointing the smartphone at our feet limited our field of view. So we need to indicate some UX design to direct your gaze. And next is also type C, but we only have 10 minutes, so maybe we can skip this one. This is like a more high quality working prototypes. So sometimes we create a really high quality prototype to evaluate much more accurately about your idea. So you can go next, and this also needs a voice, so maybe you can skip this slide too. Okay, so after the first phase of prototyping, I would like to talk about what's next step of the first prototyping phase. We confirmed in previous slides the segmentation is technically feasible in fast phase. So we developed the two prototypes leveraging this capability. So left-hand side is we transform the saying into aquarium, while right-hand side, the video, is turn the walls into the forest, and insects fly and land on specific piece of furniture. So this is like a type 3 after the type 1. So after you uh, confirm about the technical feasibility on type 1, next, yeah, you need to think about the type 2 or type 3 to evaluate the specific user experience. And next slide. And this is a more practical case after the first step. After we found that the entertainment navigation by Google Geospatial API was very effective, we applied the concept to actual entertainment park in Japan. So by changing the item to be collected by user based on the destination, we enhanced the entertainment factor and further demonstrate its potential. So if you need to go to like a Nintendo World, you need to collect a coin, something like that. Yeah, yeah, and yeah. After the first prototype, yeah, you can go to like a final app, and also next slide, and also you can expand the prototypes to several projects. This is a case. Can you start like a left uh, lower video? This is like a first prototype we made. We developed like a time machine app that plays past video in their original location using AR. So letting user to step back in time, which is like really time machine. So we found that this experience is very valuable for education and tourism. So can you start the light upper video? So light upper, yeah. So later on, we found the experiment was very effective on first prototype. We leveraged the experience with the AR glasses for tourism purpose with Snap. So in the future, user can watch these assets by just visiting a place and just wear the AR glasses and learn background of the history about the location. And besides about the light lower video, it's this is like application we collaborate with a television network in Japan. This project has been recognized good educational tools. So currently, yeah, we are expanding the area into the all over the Japan. So from the first prototyping, you can tell what's the core value of the experience. Then you can expand the core experience to the uh, to final apps. And next slide. And this is also from the previous slide. Yeah, we can you start the video? Yeah, we realized the value of the AR flashlight concept as a worthwhile experience. So we moved forward to next step and developed the final app for specific events. So when the app recognizes a monument or venue by VPS, the surrounding of real world transform into magical world like you see, and user can try the flashlight experience to play the games. So this is also a practical case from first prototyping to the final app. So you can uh, understand what's the core value of the experience in fast prototyping, and you can apply the experience to the final app. And next would be the last example of the next step. Yeah, could you start the videos? So through the UX evaluation, as I explained in previous slides, yeah, we identify the effectiveness of rider-based step interaction. So with its potential for various application in the future, we developed the reusable module of the stepping, the detecting the stepping action and create some user experience. This is like for our client's AR platform. So the AR platform can provide like some modules. Yeah. So as you saw, every time we create the final app, yeah, before the final app, we create the working prototype to evaluate the core value of your experience. And then, yeah, we apply that value to the final app. Yeah, this is all about our session, but I want to explain in the our service of the rapid prototyping too. So could you go to the next slide? Yeah, actually, we are offering the create custom prototypes for you based on our past experience. So we can cover the headset, native app, web app, and social app, pretty much everything, and capable to develop the very rapidly, like a week or 2 weeks for each. So if you want to create a prototype, but you are not able to develop, yeah, yeah, please contact me. Yeah, so we can support you. We are very happy to support your business. Yeah, so okay.
So very cool, you. Um, in a couple of those examples, you showed AR glasses. What glasses are you using in those?
Sometimes we used to use HoloLens, Magic Clip, and also like a Snapdragon Spaces one, like a Lenovo's A Singularity A3,
Hmm.
and also like a Snap Spectacles. Yeah, so we have actually all the headset. Yeah,
Just
now,
for prototyping,
yeah,
just so you can try it out. Yeah.
yeah, except Apple Vision Pro.
Hey, yeah. Not yet. Yeah.
Not yet, yeah.
Yeah. So you showed the difference between the cost and the speed of the different prototyping types. When you do, if you can't get like client approval to do the full hardware prototype and you do like a video prototype, what video software would you use?
It depends on, yeah, basically, we use Adobe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but sometimes we use actually the create a video from Blender too.
Okay. Do you find that helps the client get an idea of what the end product might look like?
Yeah, especially the situation that end client has a lot of stakeholders.
Mhm.
They need to understand and they need to have a like a same idea within in their group.
Yeah.
That situation, yeah, video storyboard would help.
Yeah. Well, and it's easier to change it on paper, right? You don't wanna
Mhm.
go all the way to the actually creating it on the device and then someone say, "No, that's not what we meant." It's a lot more
Yeah.
expensive at that point.
So if you wanna take a step one by one, yeah, you can start from like a paper prototyping,
Mhm.
and then yeah, go to like a video storyboard,
Yeah.
then create the working prototypes.
Yeah. So, some of these were really cool. I loved the Google Maps one with the
Oh, thank you.
navigation where you're walking down the
Hmm.
street. I think that one was my favorite. What product, or project has been your favorite so far?
Uh, Actually, in this one, I like a flashlight one.
Okay,
That
yeah.
was, yeah, that was, I think a few years ago, but we found that was really fun with a
Yeah.
smartphone. So we have some issues about smartphone. You cannot hold smartphone for a long time. It's kind of physically stressful,
Oh, just
especially
because you
for,
get tired of
yeah,
holding it?
yeah, especially for kids or yeah.
Mhm.
So we need like a to motivate them to hold phone for a long time. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's kind of one challenge about the smartphone AR, I think.
Yeah. That one seemed like a good project because it really followed the whole life cycle, right? You went from the prototype, and then the prototype worked well, so it turned into a really cool project where you actually could use it to see the history of the surrounding area. I think that's
Mhm.
such a good example of how this whole process can work well. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for sharing this with us. Um, and your contact details are available on the site and again in the YouTube video that'll be recorded. Thank you so much.
Thank
It
you.
was great chatting with you.